Here are the 24 Hours of Lemons. We are true old car lovers.
Yeah, and that means we go on and on about how cars were much better 50 years ago, right?
Well, that and we're used to losing races to minivans, so we know we have nothing to prove.
Speaking of old cars, here's a team, Yeah Baby, with an MGB GT.
Why, you real classic.
Now, by old car standards, MGB, pretty good.
Yeah, by which we mean it looks good, sounds good, drives great, all while being smoked by a Kia Sedona.
This particular car, like so many other Lemons cars, was chosen by the team because they already had a bunch of MG stuff.
Yeah, the team captain Clive, and of course his name is Clive, he owns a junkyard for British cars. He's got like 50 of them out in the field, and the one closest to the exit, MGB.
As you know in Lemons, your own personal labor, that does not count towards the $500 budget cap. So Clive, he built a motor using junkyard bits and his own elbow grease.
Yep, he made a hand-built, ported B-Series MG motor, got Triumph carbs, got a 5-speed. After the first race, added a supercharger.
So how much power does all that make?
Less than a Toyota Previa.
But there's no ECUs or sensors or any of that newfangled computer crap to go wrong, right?
Yeah, that's correct. And when you go to the parts store, they look at you like you're a refugee time traveler from Elizabethan England.
Hey, nani, nani, talking, hey, nani, nani.
So, performance, maybe not this car's strong suit?
No, it is not. And neither is reliability. Hand-built motor, ported, all of that fancy trick stuff. Clive has never been able to get this car to run for more than like 45 minutes at a stretch. It is blowing up constantly.
That's the thing. Performance and reliability, it's not really the reason why people love old cars. If you're into them, old cars are entertaining to drive. They're fun to work on if you're that sort of person. And this, and I'm being dead serious, they have more style than anything new, regardless of price.
So I think what you're saying here, Nick, is regardless of expectations, performance, reality, or your actual experience, you're having a blast no matter what.
I mean, yeah, you are. Like, if you went out today and bought a Hellcat, immediately lose a drag race to a Tesla, you're done. Your whole purpose in life is ruined. You gotta go join a monastery. If you're in your MG and you get dusted by a Plymouth Voyager, you're as happy as you've always been. That's nothing new.
Yeah, I guess you're right. In Lemon's terms, if you show up in a cheaty BMW and it breaks, you got nothing. You're just a loser. If you show up in a cheaty MGB with Yeah Baby on the side and it breaks, wonderful.
Another fine example of it works.